Mokchung de thaka Longkham Government High School de 4th grade staff appointment la jhamela thakya nimide school do 50 din upor bon hoigina ase etu nimide aw kake chairmundang pra Mokchung district administration ge etu mamla saigina students khan la academic bia hoi thakya rukhai dibi koase April 23rd te AKM president Lanu Lamba Longchar aro general secretary Aumayang Longkuma pra DC ge etu mamla upor jankari digina koise school do etu sal February 27 pra bon hoigina ase etu karne 50 laga upor students la education piche hoigina ase AKM ra district administration ge juldi intervene korigina stakeholders sob la majute resolution ekta ani dibi koigina mang kori ase koi ase ki school bon hwa nimide class khan beshi chutu aru digdar thaka jaga pra loi ase students khan teacher ekta la gor pra class loi thakya ase aru kunba class to kitchen ra chuli ase koise class khan osor primary school le shift koribole koshish kori ase kintu naparigina ase koise kile mane class khan bacha chutu khan nimide hi arrange korigina ase etu karne dangor students khan bohibole napare